That me I tell you every day the man come 5 o'clock a morning, tell you what to do, and the man just go with the boss. You don't know, Raoul?
Come here.
Huh?
Come here.
There about 10 plyboard there, so I need you to bring them in, yeah? Let me tell you something. Yeah, babe. I working, you working, that's it. Okay? You no boss, okay? To eres no el jefe, okay? Just go for the bumbuckler thing, them and stop running off your mouth, brother. I'm telling you, happy, you have to work, I work, that's it. I'm gonna call Mr. Simpson.
Bust up your blood clot. Hey, listen, I 2 hours to tie up your bumbo clot. Listen, you hear what me say?
I'm telling you that you think you're the boss, boy, complain about everything. I don't like that. You tell me to do everything. We have to do it together. I'm put it on that thing. I'll call you back. Yeah, babe? I'm gonna call Mr. Simpson. That's it. Hey, what's up, guys? Yeah, what's up, bro? Hello. Yeah, M&J, delivery over here. I got some concrete, yeah. Deal with him. I know everything. Deal with everything. Come and do something. You say you want to do something, you don't want to do nothing. You don't want to do nothing?
Here again, my God.
Yeah, man, deal with everything, brother. This is crazy. What you have here? Yeah, I got concrete out there, but I can't bring the truck over here because ice is out there.
You say what?
Oh, ice.
Oh! Hell no.
Where? Outside in front?
Me rockstone.
Yo. Where y'all going? What you mean? No ice from the snow. It's turned into ice. I can't bring the truck around, so I'm just trying to figure out. You couldn't do that, Papi. You don't ramp them here, bro. What the fuck? You don't do that, Papi. That's no funny. No, that ice from the snow, Papa. Okay? Eso es muy serio, Papi. I don't do that, okay? I'm not laughing, bro. Okay? No, I know, but I'm just saying, I'm not talking about ice immigration ice. I'm talking about ice. No me estoy riendo, Papi. I tell you something right now. That's no funny, man. Right, I'm going to go bring the truck. I call Mr. Simpson telling this is no good.
I'm going to make this message very, very brief. I am very, very horrified by what I am hearing about the Trump government and the deportation of migrants.
Jesus God Almighty to rascal.
I am horrified to see what is going on, considering that a lot of these migrants are black people. I have decided that I'm giving American citizens in my country 24 hours notice to pack their bags and leave my country immediately. All American businesses have been confiscated and will be nationalized, and they will become Laughter Republic companies. I will not repeat myself. Americans in my country are given 24 hours notice to leave and go back to America. Thank you.
You smart.
Okay, people. You heard the man. That man, his name is Captain Africa. He do not joke around here.
Yeah. God Almighty. This looks serious, man.
It's a frigid 5 degrees in the pre-dawn hours just outside of Boston, where this team of elite ICE officers is briefing on their targets for the day. Within moments, the officers are on the move, with eyes on their first target. They quickly take him into custody. An MS-13 gang member wanted in El Salvador for aggravated murder, and he has an Interpol red notice out for his arrest.
We are targeting very violent threats to our community.
One of those threats is this illegal alien from Haiti. ICE says he's a gang member with 17 criminal convictions in recent years.
You to go to prison!
That no sound good.
Pino Jet Bill, man. Easy, man. Easy yourself, look a bit, man. Really, bro? 17? That's a lot. Cannot believe what I'm hearing. Really?
I'm not going back to Haiti. So, you feel me? Yo, Biden forever, bro. Thank Obama for everything that he did for me, bro.
See that video, I'm curious, what do you think?
What kind of stupid question that?
I'm not going back to Haiti. So,
Well, he's wrong. He's going back to Haiti. I tell him that.
And I will run the biggest deportation operation this country's ever seen.
Kiss out my ass. Oh, fuck you.
easy, man. The man for easy, man. The man have to rig you up. I'm not going back to Haiti. So, you feel me? I'm not going back to Haiti.
So hold on, bro. What do you mean? Why you say that you ain't going back to Haiti? Why? Huh? America is your place? America is not your place, bro. They say that you're entering illegal. You didn't go in the street. And look at it. You're doing wrongs in their country. You get what I'm saying? You do a lot of things. You are there 17 times. That's a lot, bro. You get what I'm saying? And what you should be learning, bro. You guys in a different country, you go there to make some money or something. Do not take the countries like your own. Try to find some way to send back some money back to home. Build something in your home, like maybe a house or something, so that things go down. You can go back there and you're living comfortable and happy. You get what I'm saying? I know what's going on in Haiti, but I'm not talking about Haiti alone. I'm talking like Jamaica, Mexico, all those countries, South America, where they're getting now. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, so guys, you gotta learn. You feel what I'm saying? When you say you're not going back, are you crazy, mate? Let me say this, because a lot of people do not know that these white folks in America, they come there illegal also. They came there in the land of America. They do a lot of things. They steal, they rob, they kill a lot of the Indians and also black people. Black people was also there. But I'm gonna leave it for next time on the next video how we talk about that. You get what I'm saying, bro? But that's what's going on. You get what I'm saying? You make bad for yourself, bro. Heading back to Haiti, bro. Try to add up to the new life.
Not too long ago, the United Kingdom officially left the EU.
The march was a vivid expression of anti-immigration sentiment, with participants vocally advocating for mass deportations. Their slogans and banners painted a stark picture of their stance on immigration policy. However, this rally was not unopposed. At the bar gate, a counter-demonstration took shape as anti-racism activists gathered to challenge UKIP's message. The convergence of these opposing groups led to a palpable tension. Local reactions were swift and varied. Satvir Kaur, the Labour MP for Southampton Test, used the moment to reaffirm the city's commitment to diversity and unity, explicitly condemning the spread of hate.
See, things are happening right around the world. Look what's going on in the UK.
Officially left the EU. Because just like America, they too are also anti-immigration. Now, the UK didn't carry out mass deportation. What they did was change the rules around immigration. Basically now requesting that all EU citizens that came from EU nations to the United Kingdom have to apply for a visa and pay to continue to stay and work here. Now, a lot of EU citizens did not appreciate the fact that they are now being treated as second-class citizens. So you know what they did? They voluntarily packed up, a majority of them, and they went home. Upon them leaving, petrol stations were temporarily closed down because there was no truck drivers to deliver the petrol. People were finding themselves traveling miles and miles and miles, queuing up at 5, 6, 4 o'clock in the morning, trying to get petrol as soon as 1 or 2 trucks dropped the petrol off. There was no farmers to reap the crops so that it could get into the supermarkets. So supermarkets were also empty. Even things as common as eggs, you could not find in supermarkets.
Tell me something. What can go so? What can go so?
It was so bad that the British government had to end up going on TV begging these people to come back.
Damn right.
You know why? Because the people who voted for the United Kingdom to leave the EU and voted for the immigration rules to change for EU citizens are the same people who were not willing to do these jobs. Now the UK is trying to rejoin the EU because they now understand how imperative immigration is for any and every country. whether the person is documented or undocumented.
She's got a point.
Understand that statistically around the world, in the Western world, immigrants, compared to national citizens, put more money in the economy than they take out because most immigrants do not have access to public funds.
Mr. Come on. Whoa.
I see a lot of people in the comment section talking about how the UK needs to follow. The UK has already learned its lesson. It is time for America to learn the same. Good day.
Love Topic TV.
You serious?